Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Put my glasses on, I'm about to hit this city. Alright, here we are, guys. Took the beast out this morning. About to go get some new tints. And get some tinted windows. That's what they look like at the moment. Put some touch-up paint yesterday. Not bad, eh? Not bad. Yeah, the old tints are a bit, I don't know if you can see, but there's some scratches there. Scratches here. So you're going to get some new tints done. That's the end result. Tints are on. Give it a good wash. Came up good.